Today you're gonna see an autumn photo walk. It's the first time when I go out with the Panasonic G7 and its 40 to 140mm lens. You're gonna see a lot of photos made with it. At the ending of this clip, I'm gonna tell you something special. I will tell you the reason why I'm doing these photo walks. Let's begin. Outside, we have a nice autumn weather. As soon as I left my apartment, I saw a seagull sitting on a car. When you're in the photo walk mindset, you start to notice a lot of interesting things. You just have to take the camera and leave the house. Let's now move from the east side of Bucharest into a central park. For sure, this clock is the most photographed object here. But the best moment of the year is now. The background looks great. The light is soft and the golden colors are spectacular. To better remember this moment, I took this average-looking photo with leaves. I took it to better enjoy the colors. In a month from now, winter is coming and those leaves will not be there anymore. Don't be afraid to take average-looking photos. If they help you to enjoy the moment more, take them. Take them for yourself. Behind the clock, there is a long space that has 3 crosswalks. It's the perfect moment to test this big zoom. I sit down for a better angle and stability. The lens is not fast and I don't want to bump that ISO too much. I am lucky. I see odd numbers. 3 people walk through my frame in the first photo and 5 in the second one. The zoom reach is long, but the image quality is not that great. But it's okay. I went outside to relax, not to participate at a photo contest. I want people to relax, same as those ladies were doing in a good autumn light. This is a frame that I like. In this time of the year, the ducks from Cismigiu Park can only enjoy this small lake. I was glad to see that some people decided to feed them. Speaking about ducks, here we have an interesting moment, a couple. Out of curiosity, I googled it. Pigeons form lifelong couples, but ducks don't. If you are curious, their bonding is only seasonal. We will also take a black and white photo and leave the park. The bright light that you see on the statue caught my attention. To better see the details, I underexposed. It's been a while since I've taken a black and white photo. Here, tell me if a smartphone can do this. I photographed the Athenaeum from far away with a mediocre lens and camera. I like the good light on the Athenaeum, but from that distance, can a smartphone see these details so good? I believe not. That's why it's good to have a camera. Here, that person caught my attention. The light is good and I told myself that I have to take this photo. Since we are on the streets, let me show you some opulence, because here you see a lot of it. 2 black Mercedes cars. I like the way they found each other and how they are parked. This allowed me to see this frame. On this channel, I don't promote opulence because it distances people. If there's one vehicle that I will promote, it's this one, the bicycle. Here you go, a lot of photos with people on bicycles that I took in that day. Bicycles are healthier, they allow you to enjoy your surroundings more, and they don't create pollution. One of the best purchases I ever made is my blue bike. It helped me do a lot of photo walks that you're gonna see on this channel. Speaking about transportation, when I was a teenager, I used this, a skateboard. I also had to take this photo. The skateboard improved my physical abilities and kept me outside of the house. This is how my interest in photography grew. Our vehicles change us. That's why, from time to time, it's good to leave those shells that we call cars. I go on these photo walks to encourage you to take the camera and go out. We are not competing with anybody. We take photos for ourselves. The photos that you just saw were made in 2 hours, and all of them are average-looking photos. But that's not important. What is important is how we feel when we are taking photos. I enjoyed my photo walk, and this is how a photo walk should be. Relaxing. We must enjoy the process, enjoy what we are discovering outside. We mustn't put pressure on ourselves to take those photos that bring the most likes and followers. Those good photos will come, but it's better when we are enjoying the process. I hope that you got some value from this video. Press that like button if you enjoyed it, and also consider subscribing. See you on the next one.